Today I'll show you exactly how to make a good protagonist and a strong antagonist. Hey guys, I'm Shayon and I'd like to welcome you to the Storyteller's Journal. This series is completely about demystifying the art of storytelling, and if you think you'd be interested, please keep watching and subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified next time when I upload. Okay? So, let's get back to the video. Before we start everything, I would give you one advice. Always start with your villain because he is the person who is going to be defining your hero. I love thrillers. Okay. And one thing I learned from the masters of thrillers was that a thriller can be made out of an ordinary person put in an extraordinary situation. That is what gives you a thriller. So think about that before you write. Okay. If you would like to write thrillers, I think I'll be doing a proper video series about that also very soon. The challenges that he or she faces is what turns them into a hero. The pressure that your villain is going to apply on your hero is going to show his true strength. Now, always keep in mind your opponent should be worthy. He should be worthy to face your hero. Actually, in some places, I think your opponent should be way more stronger than your hero, because if your hero can beat him, then he truly is a hero. Give your villain a relatable motivation. Okay, don't make him like a psychopath out to kill. Okay, there's the Joker. He is good. Okay, but he's not just a psychopath. He was a man who faced some crazy situations in his life that turned him into the Joker, right? So he had relatable motivation. A villain is the person that does the wrong thing for the right reason. That's what a good villain is. One more thing. Introduce your villains with a bang. Trust me, that always works. Introduce him with a bang. Like when he is coming, make sure that people know that this guy is not to be messed around with. If this video is helping you at all, then please make sure to like. Now get back to the video. Now, a hero must be a human to connect with your readers. Don't make him some kind of a superhuman entity. I'm not saying that you can't write about mutants or superheroes. That's absolutely fine, but they still need to be human from inside. They need to feel the same things you would feel. They need to be a person first before they become a hero. Imagine yourself as the hero and decide what you want to do next. This will actually make your readers connect to the hero more, because they will start feeling that, yeah, I can be the hero too. Now, very importantly, create stakes that matter to your hero. Be easy on your villain, but not on your hero. Random coincidences are always good for your villain. Not always, but yeah, they are good for your villain, but they are very deadly for your hero. So, make sure that you know what this can lead up to before you add a random coincidence. Now, coming to the final point. Make sure that the hero's path or the quest that he has to take to reach stasis be Herculean. Almost Herculean. Okay? It should be something extraordinary that he has to do to reach stasis, because that will excite and entice your readers. So this is the end of this video. If this helped you at all, please like, share, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the bell, because I upload every week. And this series is for you if you have been watching till the end. I'm going to leave the date to the next video and the title of it over here so that you guys know when the next video is coming. Also, if you want to join my community of storytellers, Please join on Facebook. I'll leave a link down below. And this is my Instagram ID. You can go and follow me over there because I upload over there almost regularly. So, till the next time, goodbye.